Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can remove your WhatsApp account from other devices that it is logged in on. As you can see, it says my WhatsApp web is currently active and I want to go ahead and remove my WhatsApp web device. So I simply go ahead and open my WhatsApp, as you can see, and then on the top right you want to tap on the triple dot icon, which is more options, and then simply tap on WhatsApp web and it will show you the device that is logged in or all the other devices that it is logged in into. All you have to do is simply tap on the device you want to log out of and tap on log out, and your device will be removed or your account will be removed from your device. And if you want to go ahead and simply just remove your account from any devices, then all you have to do is go to settings and then go to accounts and then basically go to two-step verification, and over here just change the pin, and then all the devices that you have logged in with your WhatsApp account will be asking the new pin or password, so the people will not have access to your account on other devices. So that is about it. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what you want me to make a video about next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.